So this is the jig, you see. So the tube go here, and different tube dimensions, so we can unscrew here. So then the tube just pressed, yeah. So tube sits like that, and then I can cut along. And you see how I done it. I bought this, and I welded, but it's not very good, very heavy. Possibly I don't need all this.
In this project, we partnered with our UK-based client to solve a critical functionality problem in their existing design setup. The client was facing inefficiencies during their production process due to a lack of precision and difficulty in handling components with their current tools. To overcome this, our team at Ceylon CAD designed and developed a custom jig specifically tailored to their operational needs. If you're looking for reliable design solutions for your industrial projects, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more project showcases and engineering insights.